Yeah, all right, viewers, you're welcome again to our channel. Today's question is on quadratic equation, and we're going to learn how to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square method. So if you still have problem with using the formula method or factorization method, you can go and look out for my videos. I already make videos on that, so you can go and watch those videos and you can come back to this one and try it. All right, so now we want to solve this problem by completing the square method. I'm going to take this video one step at a time, so just stick with me to the very end of this video. So first thing I want to do, this is the equation that is given to us. I want to take out this constant term to the right hand side of the equation. So I'll have 5x squared plus 9x equal to 2, right? That's the first thing we want to do. And the second step we want to do right now is we want to divide both sides, or we want to divide all sides by the coefficient of x squared. We don't really want anybody to be a coefficient of x squared, so we want to take everybody out. So that means I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So I'll divide here by 5. I'll divide here by 5. I'll also divide here by 5. So this guy will cancel out. So now I have x squared plus 9 over 5x is equal to 2 over 5, right? Now, that's the second step. Now, the third step is we pick the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is just 9 over 5, right? We're going to pick the coefficient of x. Because the fraction, we're going to divide it by 2 like this. And whatever we have, we are going to square it. So that means we're going to have 9 over 5. This is actually over 1. So when you change division to multiplication, so you have 1 over 2 like this, because when you change division to multiplication, this guy will go down and this one will come up. So finally, we have 9 times 1 is 9 and 5 times 2 is 10 all squared, right? Now, once we do this, we are going to add this result to both sides of the equation. So we come here, we have x squared plus 9 over 5x, then we add that guy, which is 9 over 10 all squared equal to, we have 2 over 5 plus 9 over 10 all squared. And now remember, whatever you do in the left hand side, if you do the same in the right hand side, the equation still remains authentic. So now the next thing is to factor the left hand side. Whenever you complete the square, just like we've just done now, we've just completed the square, then the resulting result we can now be factorized. So how do we factorize it? I have a quick way of doing that. Just open up a bracket like this, open another one like this with a square on top of it, then pick this guy without a square, then pick this sign here, and lastly pick this guy without a square. So we have 9 over 10. Now, if you expand all these guys, you're going to end up with this expression. You can go and try that. So we have equal to 2 over 5. Then we can simplify this whole guy. So we have 9 squared is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. Then 10 squared is just 100. Now, I'll still go further to simplify all these guys. So from here, you can see that if you want to collect, like you want to add these fractions together. So how do you go about adding them? We have a lot of styles of doing it. So you can decide to use the LCM. The LCM here is 100. So if 5 divides 100, you have 20, right? Yes, 5 in 100 is 20. Then 20 times this 2, we have 40. So we have 40 right here. Then plus 100 divides 100 is 1. 1 times 81 is still 81. And finally, we have here to be x plus 9 over 10 all squared is equal to, that will give me 121 over 100, right? Yeah, that is what it is. So from here, you want to remove this square from here. So you square root both sides. But remember, you have plus or minus, you square root both sides. So the square will cancel out the root. So you have x plus 9 over 10 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 121 is 11 and the square root of 100 is 10. Now you want to wonder why we have plus or minus. The reason is that, when you have square root of 4, it's not just 2, it is plus or minus 2, because minus 2 times minus 2 will still give you 4, and 2 times 2 will still give you 4. Okay, so from here we have x, you take like terms, so x is equal to minus 9 over 10 plus or minus 11 over 10. Now they have the same denominator, so you can go ahead and split it up. So you have here to be x1 is equal to minus 9 plus 11 over 10, or x2 will be minus 9 minus 11 over 10. And here we have x1 is equal to, here will be 2 over 10. And of course, x1 is nothing but 1 over 5. First solution gotten. Then the other one will be x2 is equal to minus 20 over 10. And finally, x2 is equal to minus 2. So this is how we can solve problems on completing the square. Follow this step one step at a time, and I bet you're going to get the answer correctly. So have a nice day and God bless you. Bye.